Greetings to you all. Welcome Class 7, Term 3rd, Geography, Unit 1, Exploring Continents, North America and South America. Book back questions, Part 2. So, dear children, in the previous episode, we have seen till Roman number 6. Now, moving on to Roman number 7, answer the following. Your first question is, name the boundaries of North America. North America would boundaries. North Arctic Ocean, East Atlantic Ocean. In the west you can see West Pacific Ocean. In south, South America. Okay, these are the boundaries of North America. Second question, write a note on Mackenzie River. The Mackenzie River is the second largest drainage basin of North America. It has a source from Great Slave Lake and drains into Arctic Ocean. Third one, what type of fruits are cultivated in North America? Name some fruits. So in North America, fruits enella citrus fruits are cultivated. Cranberries, Concord grapes, gooseberries, blueberries, strawberries. Okay, children. Fourth one. Give a short note about the lifestyle of an Eskimos. Eskimo தெரியும் இல்லையா, குளிரில் வீடே ஐஸ்லே கட்டியிருப்பாங்க. that Eskimos. Eskimos live in a very cold and inhospitable region. அதாவது கஷ்டமான ஒரு situation. Plenty of fish available. Eskimos dress themselves in thick warm clothes made of fur. They live in igloos. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய ஃபிஷ் எல்லாம் கிடைக்கிது அவங்க இருக்கிற இடத்துல. அண்ட் தே வியர் க்ளோத்ஸ். எப்படிப்பட்ட க்ளோத்து? திக் வார்ம் க்ளோத், ஃபர்ரால் செய்த கிளாத். தே லீட் அ சிம்பிள் லைஃப். தே குட் நாட் ஆல்டர் த என்வாயர்மெண்ட். என்வாயர்மெண்ட்டில் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியல. ஃபிஃப்த் கொஸ்டின், விச் ஆர் த டென்ஸ்லி பாப்புலேட்டட் ஏரியாஸ் ஆஃப் நார்த் அமெரிக்கா? ஸோ நார்த் அமெரிக்காலையா டென்ஸ்லி பாப்புலேட்டட், திக் பாப்புலேட்டட் இதெல்லாம். ஈஸ்டர்ன் பார்ட் ஆஃப் நார்த் அமெரிக்கா, கிரேட் லேக்ஸ் ரீஜன், Florida, Mexico, California, Central America. Sixth question, name the physiographic divisions of South America. The Andes Mountains, the Eastern Highlands, the River Basin or Central Plains. Moving on to seventh question. What is called 4 o'clock rain? Sorry, 4 மணி rain na enna? In equatorial regions, conventional rain occurs almost daily in the afternoons. அதாவது டெய்லியுமே மழை வருது. The rain generally occurs at 4 p.m. So it is known as 4 o'clock rain. Eighth question. Name the flora and fauna of equatorial forest in South America. Equatorial forest in South America, flora. Flora naka plants. Rubber, logwood, mahogany, Brazil nuts, ebony, ceiba. So these are the trees and plants. So now fauna, animals enaka, anaconda, monkey, armadillo, snake, piranha, crocodile, parrots. So these are the animals, birds and all. Ninth question, what is known as estancias? The breed raised on large pasture lands is known as estancias. 10th question, name the major export of South America. So South America la export enalla? Sugar, beef, petroleum, tin. இதெல்லாம் தெரியும் இல்லையா? சுகர்னா சீனி, சர்க்கரை சொல்கிறோம். பீஃப், மீட், பெட்ரோலியம், tin, metal. Coffee, corn, linseed, copper, cocoa, wheat, cotton, tobacco, natural gas, iron ore. All these things they are exports. Moving on to 8th Roman number. Answer the following in a paragraph. Give an account of the climate of North America. The climate of North America. From the tropics to the polar regions, North America has the vast latitudinal extent. It makes the climate of North America as varied as that of Asia. The Rockies run north to south, which do not form climatic barrier. do not prevent the icy winds from the Arctic region and penetrating the central plains, and have a very long cold winter and very short hot summer. Precipitation occurs due to the cyclonic storms. The central plains have extreme climate from freezing conditions in winter to tropical heat in summer. அதாவது பயங்கர ஹீட்டாகவும் இருக்குது பயங்கர கோல்டாகவும் இருக்குது. The south is usually warm all the year round, and the regions around the mouth of Mississippi, Missouri, and the Gulf Coast have summer rain from the northeast trades. The warm Alaskan current keeps the northwest coast ice-free. California in USA has Mediterranean climate. Okay, children? Okay, moving on to second question. Describe the heavy engineering industries in North America. The heavy engineering industries in North America. Okay. Heavy industries are the industries which require heavy and bulky raw materials. Using the enormous amounts of power, involvement of huge investment, large transport cost, they depend heavily on the iron and steel industry. The important heavy industries are automobile, aircraft, shipbuilding, railway wagon, and farm equipment industries. USA is the largest producer of automobiles. The important centers are Detroit, Chicago, Buffalo, Indianapolis, Los Angeles, St. Louis, Philadelphia, New York, Baltimore, and Atlanta in USA, and Windsor in Canada. Third question is, describe the drainage system of South America. The drainage system in South America, okay? All the great rivers of continent drain into the Atlantic. So, எல்லா ரிவரும் அட்லாண்டிக் கடல் போகுது. The Pacific streams are short and swift, but along the coastlines of Peru, their waters are used for irrigation and hydroelectric power. ஸோ அங்கே இருக்கிற தண்ணி இரிகேஷனுக்கும் அக்ரிகல்ச்சருக்கும் ஹைட்ரோ எலக்ட்ரிக் பவருக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஃபைன், ஆல் ரைட். Amazon is the largest river of South America and the largest river system in the world. Over thousands of tributaries. Important are Rio Negro, Madeira, and Tapajós. The point of entering the sea, Amazon is wide and powerful, 80 kilometer distance. அதாவது அவ்வளோ பெரிய rivers. The Orinoco River originates in the Guiana Highlands. It flows northwards into the Caribbean Sea. The Paraguay River has two main tributaries, the Parana and Uruguay. All these forms and known as the Plate River system. All the rivers are navigable and quite some distance in the interior. Fourth question is, write briefly about the major races in South America. The major races in South America, okay? South America contains the world's most mixed population. There are descendants of Europeans, Spanish and Portuguese, and African slaves brought over by the Europeans. There are three major races found in South America. They are American Indian, European, and blacks. The mixed population of native Indians and European is known as mestizo. The mixed population of European and the blacks is called as mulatto. The mixture of native Indians and the blacks is called Zambo. Fine, children? Now, map skill. With the help of the map given in the text and an atlas, name the seas and bays in North America. The seas: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Bering Sea, Caribbean Sea, Beaufort Sea, and Labrador Sea. Okay? The bays: Baffin Bay, Hudson Bay, Bay of Fundy, Bay of Ungava, Bay of Chesapeake. Fine, children? Mark the rivers: Amazon, Orinoco, Negro, Paraguay, Uruguay on the map of South America. Next one, activity. Roman number 10, activity. Given below are some important cities with industries placed in brackets. Pick out the correct answer from them. First one, Pittsburgh. Textile, iron and steel, shipping. So Pittsburgh, iron and steel. B. Chicago, meat packing, woolen textile, heavy engineering. So Chicago, meat packing. C. Ontario, automobile, paper, cement. Ontario, paper. D. Chile, oil refinery, sugar, cotton textile. So Chile, oil refinery. E. Uruguay, leather processing, copper smelting, dairy products. So Uruguay, dairy products are the milk products. Second one, write down the answers to the questions given in the blocks. Name the highest peak in South America. Aconcagua. B. An active volcano in South America. Cotopaxi. C. The combined Parana and Paraguay rivers. Plate. D. The highest falls in the world. Angel. E. The largest river in the world. Amazon. 3. Collect pictures of the animals and birds of North America and South America and make a scrapbook. That you can do. I hope all of you understood. Keep reading the book and listen again. Thank you.